What the fuck? Control Chapter 3. Game contains flashing lights and jump scares. Okay, whatever, bitch. So what are we gonna do here? Gago, may sumali. Si ano Len. Okay, who's the fuck's that person? I promise guys, I would never swear in my entire life. And that says a lot, cause I know. What the is that? Holy shit! Yo, what the fuck? Gotta get the fuck out of here, bro. Huwag mo kayo mo! Huwag mo kayo mo! Huwag ang bobo! Gago. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. Ay, di pala dito, bobo. Fuck, man. We're gonna die. Wait lang, save muna ako dito. Fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Man. Ayoko na mga bobo, man. Fuck. No. Oh my god, my heart, man. What the fuck, dude? I'm gonna die. Gagi, alisin niyo yung hype niya. Ang haba ng leeg. Dude, alisin niyo yung gagong yan. Tangin na mo! Tangin na mo! Oh, help! Help! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Okay. We're good. They ran like you. What are you talking about? What did you do to them? Devoured. I am them. Sana wag naman mag-jumpscare. Holy shit! Whoa! Oh shit! What the fuck? Gago, nahulog ako tong inong yun. Hindi ako iwan mga gago, no. Don't leave me, man. Yan. Ano ba? Lagi na lang nahuhulog. Ano meron dito, ha? I'm fucking brave as fuck. Let's go. Mama. Oh shit, man. The fuck is that? Fuck, he's circling around like a bitch, man. What the fuck? Go, bro. You got this, bro. Peach before beauty, man. You got this. I'm 1 year old. What the heck? Okay. Yo. Saan yung isa? Nawala. Bobo. Takot duwag gagsi. Description na sinabi. This butterfly seemed to be leading me to clues. Yeah. I know that. What the fuck? Yo. Ano gagon laki. Okay, I don't know what that is. Shing motherfucker. Ah, fuck. I hate this part. Everything has been a mimic of your reality since the beginning. The beginning. What do you mean? Putang ina mo, hayop ka, gago. Ang dilim dito sa kwarto. Shut the fuck up. You fuck. Sasampal ko to sa yung butterfly ko. Tangina. Oh my god. I'm alone. No. Okay, nandito kayo mga hype kayo. Iniwan nyo mga hype. Bro, stop doing that shit, man. I'm scared. Kita mo tong babae na to. Tangina, ganyan. What the Tignan nyo guys, meron pang isa. Tignan mo. You know, look at that bitch, man. Yeah, that's a bitch. Even though it's a little girl, that's a bitch. Mama! Gago, sigaw na sigaw. Papatayin ako ng neighbors dito, gago. I hate this shit. I hate this shit. Fuck, fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. Yun o yung pangit na yan o. Nice ass. What's it? Oh my god, hell no, bro. I hate this part. Oh my god! What the heck? You still don't get it. You can't escape my world? Nah, fuck you. Also, this is the garden. Yan na pala eh, but we don't have a butterfly. Yeah, I'll find the exit. Such a pussy ass bitch.